Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will use App Inventor Canvas to create a paint application. I will start with a new project called My Paint. I will add 3 buttons at the top of the screen for different 3 colors. Now, I will change the first button name to R, G, and B. Then I will change that button color to red, green, and blue. Now, because those are the buttons we will use to change the brush color, there's no need to have a text on the button, so I will delete it. I will add another button to clear the screen, and I will change the name for that button to clear. Now I'll make my component on the center of my screen. Now, to add a canvas, we will go to the Draw and Animation tab, then Add Canvas. Change the canvas size to fit the whole screen by changing the height to fill parent and width to fill parent. Now to the code. Click on the blocks, and whenever we click on the R button, I need the brush color to change to red. Go to Canvas, select Canvas 1 dot paint color to red. I'll do the same for the other 3 buttons. Now, I will use my canvas to draw a line. So I will choose Canvas Direct. When I click on the canvas and drag the mouse, it will draw a line. So I'll use this event block. Now in this event block, I will draw a line. So I will choose the Draw Line. Now, I will go from my previous X, get the value of my previous X, and get the value from my previous Y to the current X and current Y. That's how we draw a line from previous point to the current point. Now, the clear button. When we click on the clear button, I need to clear any drawing on the canvas. So we'll go to Canvas and we'll choose Call Canvas Clear. Let's test this application on our emulator. We will add 2 buttons, one to increase the line width and one to decrease the line width of the brush. So, get back to design, add 2 buttons, and and I will change the text for this button to plus and the other one to minus. So button 1, I will change the name for that button to decrease and the other button to increase. Now get back to block and I click on decrease button. I want to change the line width of my brush to a certain number. So I will set the canvas line width to, let's say, 1. When I click on increase button, I want to change my canvas line width to 5. Let's test this application. Now, this is the normal font size. When I click on add, it will become thicker. When I click on minus, we'll get a thinner line width. Now if I keep clicking on plus, I will have maximum 5 as a line width. Now I need to change the code in order to add 5 to the line width every time I click on increase button. To do so, I need to add a variable. I'll use a global variable called line width. Width. Okay, I will start with initial value of 1. Okay, every time I click on increase, I will add a 5 to the line width and then assign the line width value to the line width of the canvas. So I will set the value every time when I click on increase. I will set the value of the global variable to the current value of the global variable, which is 1 plus 5. Now every time I click on increase, I will add 5 to my current width of current line width. Now I will get the value of the global variable. In this situation, I will clear my drawing. So this is the line width. Click on add 3 times, I'll get thicker line. Add more, you get more thicker line. Minus, I'll get to the original size. Now I'll do the same for the decrease button. Now again, set the value to minus and get the original value and subtract 5 from the original value. If I decide to add 2, I'll subtract 2. So because I'm using 5 to increase the value, I'll use 5 to decrease the value. Now no need for 1, just add the global variable value. So let's test this application. Select the color, drawing, add 3 times, okay, decrease 1 time, another time, 2 times, okay, now I have smaller font. Now we can add a picture on the canvas to draw over. In the design, select the canvas, then go to background image and upload a new picture. Okay, for the new picture, you can draw over that picture, okay, yes, that's it. You can draw over that picture, change the font width or the line width and clear. In this case, you will just clear the drawing. The clear will not affect the picture itself.